This landslide swept multiple homes and buildings into the sea. But no one died. A dog that was carried into the water managed to swim back to shore. Jingdazhen, Jiangxi province in China's strong winds affected the area, causing localized damage and disruptions across parts of the city.
妈呀，这个妖风太吓人了。
Oh my god. Look at the blue. What the heck? That is insane.
Wild dolphins splashing in the waves.
पानी भड़का रही आएगी करें मत की
This is magma come from deep layer of earth, and when it's reached and become cold on the surface it's known as lava. This is happening during volcanic eruption. Not gonna lie, lightning is so dramatic.
Look at the top. Oh my God. Never. That is bizarre.
This is water spouts. When evaporation is too slow and the cloud is thirsty, it sends down a straw. It's also known as mini tornado that hit the water and pull water up.
Susan, have you ever seen them? No.
That boat's going towards it.
Massive flooding is sweeping across China, turning streets into rivers and disrupting daily life.
Oh yeah.
Trốn theo sấy. Đây là chơi này ngành sâu anh ngành gì mó này là trong hồ đen đạn này.
Она на мост пошла.
Mud flood with rocks coming down. Landslide in Asheville, North Carolina. We believe it was from the hurricane, because it was sunny yesterday at Asheville.
Alicia, get up, get down.
This granny doesn't expect what was coming. At the end, everyone involved is safe. When Mother Nature forgets to turn off the fan, the wind really said, "Move." And he won this round, no injuries reported. The weather turns the living room into a roller coaster. The little kid forget to fasten his seatbelt, but her mother came to took him off. At the end, no one was hurt.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu. Motor ko.
This happened in Philippines. The surprising part is, no one was hurt.
Tahu. Allah Akbar.
Excavator operator caught in scary landslide. Footage of a landslide, the half of Stone Mountain disappeared. Rocking boat, meet with Mother Nature and start skiing. You might be thinking, if he get to save all the sheeps? Yes, all the sheep were saved. This is sinkhole. They not moving fast because they think it is the small one, but lastly realize it is becoming more bigger. Not gonna lie, this was my fear whenever we cross a bridge when I was a child.
Nick, Nene.
Oh man, it's all coming down. It's all coming down. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Oh. It is coming down.
A massive landslide in Torrey Pines. It ends with a boom and caught on camera.
Unbelievable. Whoa. Boom. Oh man, look at this one. Oh, man. Oh. Oh man, this big one's middle's gonna go. It's coming. It's going. I can see it moving. It's coming. Oh, it's moving slow. It's falling. Oh, boom. Oh, man. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh my gosh, the whole thing's coming. The whole cliff side is coming, guys. Back up. The whole cliff is coming. Everything's moving, man. You see it? The entire cliff is moving. Oh my gosh.
Like seriously. I mean, it is like, it is do this show, prep for the next day, watch Kelly do his hair.
Damaging hailstorm strikes Springfield, Missouri. It coming. See how the road looked like before it comes. I will show you how it looked after it landed. Do you hear the sound? Here we are. St. Louis, Missouri EF3 tornado shuffle cars around. Landslides, as known as landslips, are several forms of mass wasting that may include a wide range of ground movements, such as rockfalls, mudflows, shallow or deep-seated slope failures, and debris flows.
Yeah. Oh no, it's on the ground.
It's definitely on the ground.
It's on the ground right now.
Oh yeah. I'm scared. Let's pick up that third boy. Got eat.
Did you have to do any towing or anything?
Yeah, we put everything on.
You hear it? It's,
Oh shit. Where are we supposed to go?
I don't know, but it's coming.
It's over at the training room. It's literally here.
Holy shit.
That's crazy. Oh look, there's a clip.
Man, Nathan's probably freaking the fuck out.
I can tell, the one filming this are from Oklahoma, because of how close they are to the tornado.
Get it coming.
Oh my god.
I wish I had a fucking film the video from you. And I'm not gonna have a shack tomorrow.
They might miss the shack.
It looks like it's south of the shack.
Yeah, it is.
It's gonna hit the fucking shit on the hill.
Yeah.
Yeah, it might hit the hill.
Oh my gosh! Uy, ang scary! Alis na kaya tayo? Ako na! Oh my God! Grabe na ka! Ayun, narinig ko yung sumabog! Sumasabog siya. Mal, alika na! Ayun o! Ayun o! Tara na, tara na!
Bayad mo tayo.
Sabahin na tayo magpandaw. Bisa, Luke, mamaya ka na magpandaw. Wala naman ako. Hala.
Lab.
The Acatenango volcano frequently spews ash and lava.
For anybody that's below this area, pretty much where it's been erupting along that fissure. I mean, this thing is 100 yards wide.
These kids were playing at the river, then they noticed a flash flood coming towards them, but they began running for their lives. Glad they made it alive, nobody was hurt.
Serem, pasang!
Unreal flash flooding in Sibalanjit, North. 1 minute it's a lovely stream and then in a flash it's a raging torrent.
Tidak tahu orang yang mau pasang ya. Weh, kayu-kayunya lompat, sakit juga tuh.
This is a good parenting.
Earthquake. Earthquake.
Oh my god, it's big. I gotta go outside.